produce a huge amount of food waste in the UK. In fact, 10 million tonnes every year, 7 million tonnes of which comes from our homes. But food waste isn't truly waste. It's a valuable nutrient and energy-rich resource. If all this waste was recycled and the energy extracted, we could power 1 million households with renewable electricity, which is roughly the population of Birmingham. In Bath and North East Somerset, up to 35 teams are out early each morning collecting this food waste as part of the regular recycling collection service. It's then taken to the Keynsham Recycling Depot, a hive of activity where all other recycling materials are sorted. The food waste is transferred into a much larger container and is then collected and delivered to Geneco's state-of-the-art anaerobic digestion facility in Avonmouth. Geneco turns this organic waste into useful products, such as nutrient-rich biofertilizer and renewable energy in the form of biomethane and electricity. The waste is tipped out in a specially designed reception hall, where it will begin the energy extraction process. It's not just domestic food waste that is processed here. Geneco also processes food waste from commercial businesses in the region. First, it is fed into a shredder to break open the bags of waste, before being transferred into 2 large mixing tanks. Here, the waste is stirred with other liquid food waste to create a recipe-controlled slurry mixture or soup that can be easily separated from any packaging. The whole process works just like the human digestive system. Next, it is fed into a rotary screen and hammer mill to remove plastic waste and to clean up the valuable, energy-rich organic soup. All plastic waste is collected and sent away to an energy recovery plant. Nothing is wasted. The energy-rich soup is pasteurized for an hour at 71 degrees centigrade to kill off any pathogens. The soup then spends 3 weeks in large digesters, where the anaerobic biological process creates a huge amount of biogas, which bubbles off naturally. This gas is transferred and stored in large spherical containers. The solid material left behind is a nutrient-rich fertilizer, which can be safely applied to farmland. So everything you put in your food recycling box is valuable and will be put to good use. Not only is the biogas used to make electricity and heat to power the whole Geneco site, it is also used for Geneco's electric fleet and the biogas-powered BioBee food waste collection trucks. But the majority of the biogas is fed into the national grid for use in 7,000 local homes around the region. In fact, the gas being used to cook these carrots could well have been produced with food waste recycled just a few weeks ago, and so completing a circular economy, keeping resources in use for as long as possible, and extracting maximum value for a greener, more sustainable living.